Top infectious disease experts think that we could have a COVID-19 vaccine by early 2021. It is difficult to design and manufacture an effective vaccine due to the nature of viruses, which are complicated microbes. Also, there are various regulatory steps that vaccines or any other drug development has to go through. And it usually takes around $500 million to produce a vaccine. High failure rate, the cost, and the hurdle of regulation are just some of the key challenges facing the development of the new coronavirus vaccine. Here we update you on the current state of vaccine development. As the social distancing rules are relaxed and as lockdown is lifted, we might see increase in cases of COVID-19. With new development like the protests against policing tactics means more people will be exposed to the virus. It is therefore essential that we find an effective vaccine in the shortest time possible. The key issue with vaccine development is time. You need to develop, manufacture and distribute vaccines on large scale. Yet the race to find vaccine against SARS-CoV-2 virus is unprecedented in the history of modern medicine. One Massachusetts-based biotech company, Moderna, plans to enter broad Phase 3 clinical trials this July, which will include as many as 30,000 human participants. Other vaccine candidates are being studied by Oxford University and AstraZeneca, Pfizer and Chinese vaccine developer Sinovac. Moderna is exploring a vaccine candidate called mRNA-1273, a new way of creating vaccine based on the viral genetic material. Vaccine or drug development usually goes through 3 phases, namely Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3. These phases are supposed to help with safety control and to make a vaccine that works. Currently, Moderna is conducting Phase 2 trial and Phase 3 is expected to start in July. And many of the regulatory steps are being combined or changed to expedite the process. Another vaccine is under development at Oxford University in the UK. Scientists there say that vaccine could be ready by the fall of 2020. Oxford is working with pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca. Their vaccine candidate is slated to begin simultaneous Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials this month. Half a dozen vaccines are under serious consideration. However, due to the fact that COVID-19 as a new viral disease poses a great challenge, it is possible we might have an effective vaccine by early 2021. But social distancing, washing hands, and avoiding crowds, wearing protective gear like gloves remain effective strategy against coronavirus. Thank you for watching ScieHeal, where we bring you timely health and science information. Subscribe, leave us comment. Stay safe.